Hey guys, how's it going? How to use NGL link on Facebook. First of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and type NGL, and you're gonna download the NGL, or if you did, just make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the app and get started, right? And select your date of birth, right? In my case, I'm gonna where I want to use NGL, I'm gonna just continue to Facebook, and just type right here your username on Instagram, right? So okay, hit continue. You're gonna wait for a few moments. If you want to add a picture, just go ahead. In my case, I'm gonna skip. And as you can see right here, I can copy the link. Basically, just copy the link and allow people to ask you on NGL, right? They will be able to send you anonymous messages. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my Facebook, right? Click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then click your name at the top. And basically what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit basically edit profile, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down and try to add links. I'm gonna hit edit, right? I'm gonna add social link. I'm gonna add right here, and then enter the social link from here, or add websites in that case, right? I'm gonna add website. So paste the link that you just copied, right? And as you can see, now you added it. Hit save at the top right. Go back, and you're gonna see in your profile, if you just refreshed it, you're gonna see Ammar on Spotify, another link, and you're gonna see the NGL link that you'll be redirected to, so you can ask anonymous question. So that's been on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. You will definitely see you in the next one.